प्रयागराजात जावपी महाकुंभ मेळाच्या फाटभुंयेर फेथ ऑफ कुंभ अँड क्लायमेट चेंज म्हळ्यार महाकुंभा विशीं श्रद्धा आनी हवामान बदलावाचेर परिशद आयोजीत केल्या। 16 फेब्रुवारीक प्रयागराजांतल्या सेक्टर 25 ही परिशद जातली। उत्तर प्रदेशाचे मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ ह्या परिशदेचे मुखेल सोयरे आसतले। ह्या कार्यक्रमात धार्मिक नेते, धार्मिक संघटना, शास्त्रज्ञ, पर्यावरणवादी, नागरी समाज आणि उद्योग नेते सहभागी जातले। ह्या परिशदेचो एक महत्वाचो भाग म्हळ्यार उत्तर प्रदेश सरकाराची हरित धार्मिक संस्थांची प्रतिज्ञा, राज्य धार्मिक केंद्रां आणि तीर्थक्षेत्रांक शाश्वततेचे मॉडेल करपाची कल्पना। हातूंत सौर पॅनल बसोवप, पावसाच्या उदकाचे संवर्धन करप, कोयराचो पुनर्वापर करप, एकदा वापराच्या प्लास्टिकाचेर बंदी घालप आणि पवित्र थळां लागीं ग्रीन झोन तयार करप हाचोय आस्पाव आसा। ह्या कार्यक्रमाचे खासा आकर्षण म्हळ्यार संकल्पपत्र किंवा सगळ्या पक्षांनी सायन केल्ले घोषणापत्र, जे आपल्या पर्यावरणीय कर्तव्याचेर एक मार्गदर्शक तत्वाचो संच तयार करतले, जातूंतल्यान आपल्या धार्मिक संघटनाच्या उद्देशांक उंचेल्या पांवड्यार पावोवपाक मजत जातली। अधिक म्हायती खातीर श्रिया मोहन हांकां 7042144726 ह्या नंबराचेर संपर्क सादचो। तशेंच shriya@iforest.globa हाचेर भेट दिवची।
Climate change is an existential crisis. In 2024, the average temperature of the world was 1.5 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial level. From climate perspective, the world is in crisis. Unfortunately, we are not able to take sufficient action to solve the climate crisis. Now, there are many reasons why we are not able to do it. Of course, there is a problem of energy transition. We are not able to transition our energy system. We are still heavily reliant on fossil fuels. The other reason is that we are treating climate crisis as an economic and technological issue, whereas it is also an spiritual issue. The disconnect that humanities have with environment, the way we are treating the environment, is the fundamental reason why there is environmental problem. Our disconnect with nature is leading to the degradation of nature. And therefore, the time has come to connect people with nature, to connect people with their spiritual well-being. And this can only happen if spiritual leaders, faith leaders, religious leaders can also get involved in the climate debate, in promoting climate action, in convincing people to live a sustainable life. Now, with this idea, at the Mahakumbh, the UP government and iForest are jointly organizing a major conference on faith and climate change. Our endeavor is to bring religious and faith leaders, scientific community, government agencies together to discuss the agenda to advance the climate action. This is what we plan to do. Our hope is that with this conference, we will initiate a process of engaging our religious and faith-based leaders in climate action.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.